This week on Entertainment Recap, Shaneil Muir is no longer a part of Good Productions. Saint International Models featured in Re-Edition magazine. Grammy nominations for Best Reggae Album are out, and it's going to be a tough one. These and lots more. I'm your host, Alicia. Let's get into it. As of Saturday, November 27, top girl Shaneil Muir and Good Productions shall go their separate ways. Good, the Jamaican-based reggae label, made this announcement on Monday, November 22nd. And according to both parties, the decision to sever ties was indeed a difficult one. But they agreed was the best decision for both parties. Shaneil Muir, in a statement on her IG page from the newly founded company Top Gal Entertainment, that it was nothing but love, passion, and hard work on the Good production and Shaneil Muir journey. She expressed that working with the Good team will not end here. We wish them all the success. Still a good look that they may still work on some projects down the line. This is one for the books indeed. We had the privilege to bring the exclusive story to you guys. Saint International Models, they're on top of things. The Saint International Models go marching straight into the pages of the current issue of the Re-Edition magazine, a biannual British-based publication focused on fashion and culture. Draped and outfitted in the world's fashion capitals, fresh off the runway looks from Versace, Burberry, Dior, Kenzo, and Givenchy. The Dwight Peters-led Saint model squad of Brianna Carson, Val Horton, Danielle Fletcher, Marika Moyston, Tashoy Mendez, and Jermaine Ellis were lensed by Jamaican-reared London resident photographer Luca Corey back in August at the picturesque Hope Bay in Portland. Behold the beautiful images from the new Re-Edition editorial titled Those Noble Natures. The Grammy Awards 2022 nominations are out, and the winner for Best Reggae Album will be a sticky one, because all the albums up for the award are really good. Queen of the Dancehall Spice with her album 10 and the reggae artist Etana with Pamoja are the only two females within the category. Look, after Coffee's major win, the doors are now fully open for other female artists within dancehall and reggae to win in this category. Come true, my ladies. The other nominees are Sean Paul with Live and Living, Jesse Royal with Royal, Gramps Morgan with Positive Vibration, and Soja with Beauty in the Silence. Congrats to you all on your Grammy nominations, and just guess what? Big up you! Music brings a vibe, but when a power couple is involved, we all can agree that the energy is different. It's vibrant and fun. That's exactly the terms I want to use for Trinidadians Bunji, Garlin, and Fay-Ann Lyons' new soca track dubbed What You See on the Ibiza rhythm. The single saw the two working together and producing what can only be called a soca rave. Is that a thing? You get what I mean, right? Mixing the soca with the club, or as the Brits call it, rave. This is not the first time Fay-Ann has dabbled her vocals in such a track. Bunji, he simply said he is just focusing on releasing good music for the people at this time. Do you, Bunji? What You See was produced by St. Lucia's Lashley Winter, better known as Motto, who is also on the rhythm, and Yannick Plant. You can also find St. Vincent's own soca star Skinny Fabulous on the rhythm. Way up, push them way up, way up. We have an entertainment recap exclusive this week. We head over to Barbados, where we found two beautiful ladies who go by the name of Rishan Let's have a chat with them. Ladies, tell us a bit about yourself.
My name is Rissa.
And I'm Sunitra.
And together we are the group
Rishan.
Now we have come together through mutual acquaintances. They wanted to form a girl group. I was in a girl group before. I really wasn't so interested in being in another one.
And I was never in one. And I was like, yeah, sure. It seemed like a perfect, awesome opportunity. So when we met musically,
we clicked, yeah. So I was really glad that I decided to just not go in my mind and just try.
Thank God.
Yes. So like she said, when we met, we instantly clicked musically. And
that was about 7 years ago.
Yep, 7 years ago.
Next year, June.
It's going to be 8 years.
It's going to be 8 years.
Oh, wow. Wow.
Barbados hits the world stage with Rihanna as a major pop star. What was your inspiration for going that route, since soca is known to be the thing from Barbados?
We have done soca before.
Yeah.
We've tried soca before and we love it. We really, really do love it.
We really do.
But our thing was, why limit ourselves?
Because we could do so much.
We could do so much more.
We tried different genres. We were like, okay, let's try this, let's try that. And we always ended up doing something else, apart from that. So we were like, you know what? Why put ourselves in a box where we can just do whatever we want, no limitations.
And pop basically is that.
Yeah.
And we are fun. I mean, as you can say, we are fun girls, and we are all about having a good time and expressing ourselves in a fun way.
Yes.
And for us, pop is that.
And then having Rihanna doing her thing, owning the stage.
Yeah.
She is a full-on inspiration, and to every artist out there that anything is possible.
It's possible. And for those who just like us don't want to do soca, she's a huge inspiration to let us understand that there's so much more out there that we can do.
You have 3 songs out now. Can you tell us a bit more about them?
All right.
So, in trying to figure out our sound together,
yes,
because this has been a journey, we were blessed to find these Canadian producers.
Yes.
One in particular, Rob Wells, and his partner Shova. Awesome writer.
Very, very, very good.
Awesome.
Very good.
So we traveled. What year was it that we did?
2018.
Yes, good.
It was in 2018.
So it was in 2018 that we did Naked, a song called Naked.
We did I Love You But.
Well, I Love You But, and a song called Blasphemy.
Yes.
And Hennessy.
And those songs were written by us with Shoba and produced by Rob Wells.
So I Love You But is a little bit of a favorite. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna sing a little bit of it, if you don't mind. So it goes like this. Right. Hi, I'm unapologetic, nice to meet you. I've been for a while trying to reach you. You don't think I see you, but I see you. We all do. I'm just trying to be something true. You're out here making it an issue. You got me questioning myself, like I should be somebody else. I love you, but
I don't want to hear it.
If you're here to die,
you must be lost then.
We live just once,
gonna live it like I mean it.
I love you, but
forget you.
I love you, but
I don't want to hear it.
If you're here to die,
you must be lost then.
We live just once,
gonna live it like I mean it.
I love you, but
forget you.
There you have it, guys, on this week's Entertainment Recap exclusive from the dynamic duo Rishan. Sing It, better known to us as Taurus Riley, is back at it again with his new song, Love Salute. Especially with all that is happening in the world now, this track is needed now more than ever. That classic reggae beat. Tarrus is known for his smash hits, She's Royal, Lighter, featuring Shenseea, his take on Michael Jackson's human nature, and more. In case you missed it, tell someone you care for them. I mean, today, in this day and age, it's a good thing to do. This week's new music features Lalee with Faceplay, Popcaan with Levels, and Lourdiz featuring Shenseea with Get Along. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to y'all. Happy birthday to these individuals. Happy birthday to you. This week's birthday shout out goes to a plethora of people. Jamaican reggae artists, Marcy Griffiths, Jamaican sprinter, Asafa Powell, Jamaican footballer, O'Neil Fisher, Jamaican reggae artist, Everton Blender, and Jamaican DJ, Walshy Fire. Happy birthday to you all and continue to do great work. As we say on this show, just big up you. And on that note, thanks for watching PBCJ's Entertainment Recap. I'm your girl, Alicia. And remember to follow us on all socials at PBC Jamaica. Remember, it's PBC Jamaica. Thanks to Air Candy Collection for bringing out the love in me through my earrings. And remember to follow them too on their social media platforms at the Air Candy Collection. And big up these people. They have been great to the Entertainment Recap show and production. And you guys out there who are watching, I just want to say big up you.